Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, as you can probably guess, I have an unboxing of a Fakie doll here. And of course, it's in the title. She's going to be a doll that I turn into a Cruella doll. And let me say, I know that Marna has already unboxed hers and shown you hers. She's actually going to be daring and attempt to dye the hair on her doll because, of course, Cruella has half white and half black hair. But I was surfing around on AliExpress and I found one that had half white and half black hair already. And so I went ahead and I got her for the challenge. And yes, typically I don't plan to buy a lot of extra dolls for the challenges, but I kind of couldn't resist her. Look at that. Is that too cool or what? So alright, let me get her out of here off her. She's pretty pale looking too. Very opposite of my typical beachy type doll. But you know, Cruella is pretty pale from what I can tell. Look at that hair, holy cow. She's got a bit of a strong face up. Yeah, she's pretty fair skinned. Look at those lips. Ooh, look at that hair. Holy moly. So, I don't know. I didn't find a lot of these type of dolls. I really had to search on AliExpress before I found this one. I thought I would find more because, you know, obviously Cruella is a popular topic right now on the interwebs. But yeah, so this is the doll. I'm going to design some clothing for her. Her hair, it looks really messy, but you know, it's very, very soft. So let's look at her eyes. Let me go ahead and finish taking her out of her packaging here first. So her face is, you know, for a minute there I thought I had gotten a what they call frosted or matte because she just looks so white to me, but she is not. She's the shiny kind. Typically I don't get the matte face dolls. I don't mind the shine on these dolls. I know some people don't like that, but I don't really mind it. So, alright, so obviously she's got her side-facing eyes. They're kind of a orangey color, brownish orange. Pink, yikes. Side gray. And front-facing blue. Those blue ones are pretty. So yeah, she's got a strong but not a massively strong face up. I'm going to take her off camera and comb her hair and then be right back to show you what this hair looks combed out a little bit, because it looks pretty ratty looking on the, you know, at first glance, but I think it's going to be okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Even after combing it out, it still looks pretty messy. I mean, I guess it's very wavy and curly on the ends, so that's why it looks kind of crazy like that. And I'm going to have to work on separating these bangs out a little bit better. I can just do that with some water, but I'm going to have to style the bangs a tad. But otherwise, I think she's going to work out really well for the collaboration that I'm doing with Marna over at Dolls Rescued. And yeah, so we haven't picked a date yet, you guys, but definitely make sure that if you want to participate. Now, the way this works is Marna and I compete against each other. We take a doll and we make the doll look like whatever the selected character is. We've done this with Alice in Wonderland, Merida, and see, who else did we do? Oh, obviously Snow White. So I'll put links to those. If you missed any of those, I'll put links down below for you to catch those videos I did as part of our previous collaborations. And so she and I, we compete against each other and we ask viewers to pick a winner. And but the last couple ones we've asked viewers to go ahead and join us and just do their own videos, even though they're not part of the competition necessarily. We still want to include them as part of the collaboration that we're doing. So if you're thinking of maybe doing our collab with Cruella, now would be a good time to pick out your doll and start thinking about how you're going to do your video. You do not have to turn a doll into Cruella. You can do any type of video related to the idea of Cruella. For example, maybe you bought a doll that already looks like her. Disney actually had one that was available at one point, and they had a few other ones that were like little small Cruella dolls. So you could just do something like that. I mean, you don't necessarily have to make something, is what I'm trying to say, to join in on the collab part of the videos that we do. However, Marna and I do have to make stuff. So now I have my doll, and I'm going to let her know that I'm ready to start working on this, and we will pick a date and let you guys know. Obviously, make sure that you have subscribed to both of our channels so that you can keep up to date with what we do as far as this collaboration that we're working on. We'll mention due dates and stuff like that in another video, so you can catch and find out what we're doing. But yeah, she definitely looks like she has quite a bit of potential. I got to fix her hair a little bit. But otherwise, yeah, I'm just not up for dyeing the hair. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as what I'm going to make for her. I do have to do some research. I haven't seen the movie. I don't have Disney Plus. And then I know you have to also pay even if you have Disney Plus, from what I've heard, which I don't see me doing that. But we'll see. I think there might be enough online information for me to pick out what I'm going to make for her. And oh, her hair's all tangled up. Whoa, what happened here? Alright, I got her pull string back. That's one of the things, that you just have so much hair sometimes. It's kind of hard to deal with in these dolls. So anyway, yep. Cruella is ready to go. Whoa, those pink eyes look kind of wild on her, don't they? Now I have the doll. Cruella is ready for me to design something fabulous for her for the competition. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful Dolly day. Please make sure you give this a thumbs up, and bye-bye.